Hey everyone, welcome back. The Subway Surfers crash or freeze right in the middle of an ad or play the full ad, then not give you the reward where you were promised. Here's the fix. First, force close the Subway Surfers app completely from your recent apps. Your coins and progress from the run itself are already saved, so force closing won't undo that. Reopen the app and check your coin or key count since rewards sometimes credit in the background even when the ad screen freezes itself or crashes. If the reward genuinely wasn't given, then go to your settings. Next, go back and go to Wi Fi and confirm you have a strong stable connection since a dropped connection right as the ad finishes is the most common reason that rewards fail to register. Force close and reopen the app once more a stronger connection before watching your next ad. If it keeps on crashing repeatedly, go to settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll to the list of apps and find Subway Surfers, tap on it, tap offload app, and then go to the App Store, search for Subway Surfers, and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to clear out a corrupted ad case causing the fees. So all you gotta do is force close and check your account first, confirm a strong connection, then offload and reinstall if ad keeps crashing. Rewards will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.